Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So I'm back today with a new video, and in today's video I am featuring Eayon Hair. Big thank you to Eayon Hair for sponsoring today's video. So let's jump into this look. So today I'm back on my braid kick. Today I'm trying a new style. So I have this Burmese loose deep wave hair. This hair is absolutely gorgeous and it's double drawn. I have 3 bundles of this in 24 inches. So I'm going to be trying mermaid braids for the first time. I'm so excited about this look. So as you can see, I have already started. This is going to be one of my favorites, I can already tell. So with this style of braids, I am using the bulk hair from Eayon Hair, and I do have some synthetic braiding hair. So I start off doing a knotless synthetic braid, and I start to feed in pieces of this double drawn hair. So these pieces are fairly long, being 24 inches. You do have the option of doing this style with all human hair, but I wanted to experiment with the 2 different types of hair. So as you can see, I add this hair in and then I stop the braids shortly after my natural hair stops. I do use nail glue to secure the braid. I do have a video showing you different ways to secure your braid as far as like tying it. But for this video, I am going to use nail glue because at the very end, we are going to dip this hair to get that mermaid wavy look. So I basically part my hair. You can pre-part your hair if that's what you prefer, but as I braid, I part. That just works for me. So I'm going to part the hair. I am doing like medium-sized braids, and I'm not using too much synthetic hair because I want this to be very light. And I have to say this style did come out very lightweight, and that's exactly what I was going for. So I'm going to repeat the same steps throughout the head. Part the hair, start off with the knotless braid using the synthetic hair, and as soon as I start that braid, I start to feed in those pieces of this loose wave hair. Once I'm done, I secure the braid with nail glue and move on. So I'm going to repeat those steps. I will show you different angles. The video does jump cut a lot because it's very repetitive, so I don't feel the need to sit here and show you every single braid. So I do jump around to different cuts within the video, but I'm going to come back in a little while to show you how I finish this up before we dip the hair. So now I'm getting to the very end of this style, and as you can see, it's coming together so good. This hair is so pretty. It does look very full and kind of awkward right now because the ends are so blunt. But once we dip this hair, you'll see the vision that I had in mind. So as you can see, this is almost done. I did use about 2¼ out of the 3 bundles that I had, and you can use less. It's all about what you prefer and the look that you're going for. I like my braided looks to be very full, almost like a cross between a weave and braids. So that's why I always opt for using more hair. But I'm going to finish this up and then I will style my edges. I wanted to mention that, and I should have mentioned that before. I did leave a lot of edges out because my edges are very fine, so I was sure to leave those out because I don't need any breakage. And I also have all the products that I use as far as the pomade that I use. That is for moisture, and then I do use a braid gel to keep my parts neat and clean. Everything will be linked down in the description box, but I will be back to dip this hair and show you the finished look.
You can feel it in the streets on a day like this. It feel like summer. I feel like summer. I feel like summer.
Okay, babe, so this is the finished look, and I gotta say, it eats down. Like, you cannot tell me that this is not a beautiful hairstyle. I absolutely love the way this came out. This is different from the boho, but very similar. I do like that it saves so much time not having to braid the entire braid. That I do like. I would love to try this with some color. For all my new subscribers that I have gained from my braided content, shout out to y'all. I really do appreciate it. So big thank you to Eayon Hair for sponsoring today's video. Definitely check the links down in the description box. So big thank you to you guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to like this video on your way out. Drop a comment, share, add it to your playlist. Any engagement really does help me and my channel. And I will see you beauties in the next video. Bye.